um today's video is actually about forex marketing. Okay, during this festive season, the market has been really dull. Okay, and I'll be giving you tips on when to trade, when not to trade. But this particular video is just one of the basics that you have to know before you enter into trading. Okay, so when we open our MetaTrader marketing platform, let's say for instance with this particular market, maybe you want to buy or sell, but there is this kind of explanations I have to give it to you first. So let's say when we want to buy, okay, let me show you. When we want to buy, let me hold on, let me bring up my tools. Okay, so when you click here, it will open where you can buy, create your stop loss and other things. Okay, so at the top here, what I'm trying to explain today is about buy limit and sell limit. Okay, please don't get confused. When you click at the top here, you can see that right now it is at instant execution, meaning that you execute or you buy at that particular current price. Okay, right now we can say that okay, the selling price for this market is this. Okay, so if I want to sell, and I click sell, it will actually sell at this particular place. If I want to buy, meaning that at this particular point it will buy from here. Okay, that's what it means by instant execution. But when you click there, you can see that we have buy limit, sell limit. You can see buy stop, sell stop. You can see buy stop limit, sell stop limit. I will explain this each and every one step by step so that you don't get confused. And these kind of executions all can help you make money when trading. Okay, so today's video is about we are focusing on these two, the buy limit and the sell limit. Okay, so these two are the ones that I will explain. So when we say buy limit, okay, for instance, let me say when I click on buy limit, okay, meaning I am supposed to set up a price that I want to buy. Okay, this one the market will not execute it at the current price. Okay, so let's check out the definition here. When we say buy limit, it means that the opposite of buy stop. Okay, I don't want to confuse you right now, but the buy limit means that it allows you to set a buy order. Okay, it allows you to buy a particular price which is below the market price. Okay, so an example is if the market price is $20 US, that means if you want to set your trade into buy limit, it means you are supposed to set it below the current market price, which is $20. So for example here is showing us that if the market price is $20 right now, then in order for you to set up your buy limit, you have to set it below the $20 US. So this will actually be your buy limit. Okay, you set a price below the current market price, and that becomes your buy limit. Now let's see how you can make profit with this. So this means is that once you set your buy limit to $18 US, okay, as it's showing here, this means that if the market price drops from 20 20 US dollars to 18 US dollars. That is where the market will start profiting for you. Okay, so let's say for example you set it at $18 and now the market reaches $18. Okay, now once it reaches $18, a buy position will be opened. Okay, once at first you set it as a buy limit. When you set it that a buy limit at 18 US dollars, it is not opened. Okay, it is placed in queue. It is pending, like it's on pending until the market price reaches where you want to buy. So once the market price reaches there, it will open the position for you. It will open your trade for you. So if it's going in favor of you, then it means this is just a diagram to show you what it means here. So let's say you set your buy limit below the market price. Okay, now the market has come down to your buy limit and now it has bounced back up. So this means you are making profit. Okay, once it reaches your buy limit, it opens a position, and if the market is rising above where you bought it, it means you have bought your that particular asset at a low price. Okay, so let me show you an example, a real example here. MetaTrader. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, so you can see I'm trading on this one, which is XAU USD, which is gold versus USD here. Okay, so let me open the chart for you to see. So let me turn it upside down. So you can see my buy limit. Okay, forget about the sell you are seeing up here. Okay, this is my buy limit, and with my buy limit I bought it. I'm saying that right now the current market price is here. Okay, so I'm saying that if the market price reaches here, which is around 1797.33, it will open a buy trade for me. It will open a trade for me, which is a buy. So when it opens that trade, then in my prayer I'm expecting that the market should go up. When the market goes up from my buy limit, okay, it will actually open a trade here. So once it opens a trade and the trade is moving, the market starts moving upwards, that becomes a profit for me. But if it turns out that the market price reaches my buy limit, where I said that it will reach, and now it turns out that the market is still dropping, that means I'm making a loss. Okay, it's just simple as you buying at a low price and selling high. So if I'm buying at this low price and the market reaches there, it will open a trade. So for me to make profit, then I am expecting the market to start from here and move upwards, and with that I'll make profit. So that's what we mean by buy limit. Okay, that's what we mean by buy limit. Now when the second one, which is sell limit. So sell limit is the opposite. Okay, meaning you set a particular price. You set a particular price that if the market reaches there, it should sell it should start selling for you. It should open a position for you so that it will sell. So for instance, let me change, let me see this one. Okay, so with this one I can go at a sell limit, meaning that, let's see the definition here. Let's see the definition here. I don't know why it's so. It's sell limit. This is the definition here. It says finally, finally, the sell limit order allows you to set a sell order above the current market price. Okay, so this one, you create your sell limit above the current market price. Okay, so if the current market price is at 20 US dollars, then it means if you are setting your sell limit, you should sell above that market price. So example is 22 US dollars. Okay, then once the market reaches your 22 US dollars, a sell position will be opened. Okay, so now when the sell position opens, your prayer is that the market should fall below your sell position. Okay, so example is as you can see in the image. So let me open here and explain it a little bit more here. So let me choose this quote. Let me say British pound, Australian dollar. Let me check. So okay, when I say sell limit, okay, when I open here and select sell limit, and let's say I want to actually sell around here. Okay, let me draw a line. Let me say I want to sell around here. That is 1.79666. okay, I want to place my sell limit over there, because when you are selling, you have to sell at a high price. You must sell above the current market price. So my sell limit, I'm placing it there so that when the market reaches that position, it will open a position for me. Okay, so the main how to do this one is very simple. Okay, the price is 1.79600. okay, so all I will do is open it here, go to sell limit. Over here I'll click 1.796. let me clean some of the zeros. Okay, so I'm placing my sell limit over here. Now it has been placed, it has been queued. Okay, here is it. It's showing up here, sell limit. Okay, that it has been placed, but it has not opened yet. If it opens, it means it has started making profit or making losses. That's what we mean by you having an open. So you can see where my sell limit is. Okay, this line. So once the market, okay, right now this is the market current price, it's around here. Okay, 1.7936. so once the market price reaches up here, it will open my sell limit for me. It will open the sell position for me. So in order for me to make profit, once it reaches the sell limit price, my prayer is to pray for the market to drop. So if the market drops, means I'm making profit. But if the market reaches there and continues moving upwards, it means still I'm selling at a low price, because the market will rise up and the market will be the one selling at a high price. So in my favor, in trading, yours has to be that you must be the best than the market price. Okay, any trade you trade, you must make sure that you are the best compared to the market price. So right now the market price at 1.79400, so my sell limit is at 1.79600. So once the market reaches there, my prayer is that the market should drop. So once it drop, I make profit. Once it moves upwards, I make losses. So this is the simple explanation of buy limit and sell limit. Okay, that's how I can make it clear for you to understand. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button so that you can get notifications on new videos that I post. So this is one of the basic things you must know before we can start trading. Okay, you must understand it before you start trading. I'll leave link down below the description, Telegram link, so that you can join, or you can chat me up if you have any difficulty. Thank you.